Hey, everybody. It's my pleasure to help kick off today's event. My name is Zach Whitman. I'm the Chief AI Officer at GSA. And it's an honor to open this event, and I wanted to thank GBAC for organizing it. It's a really important conversation at a very important time. So today we're here to explore how AI can help us design, construct, operate, and renovate federal buildings. The federal government manages one of the world's largest real estate portfolios, and so the potential impact of integrating AI into these facilities is immense, not just in terms of efficiency and cost savings, but also in advancing our sustainability goals and enhancing the well-being of the occupants. So as we delve into AI possibilities, it's crucial to strike a balance between embracing innovation and ensuring ethical and responsible use. AI offers powerful tools that can help us make smarter decisions and optimize processes and predict future needs. But we also have to stay vigilant about things like data privacy and cybersecurity and the ethical implications of deploying AI technologies in our built environment. AI is one of these unusual cases where the technology in and of itself is not the end of the story. It's the question of why or how is really important in those use cases. So the question isn't just what AI can do. Its capabilities are pretty well documented, and people are cottoning on to that, but how we can implement them in a way that aligns to our values and serves the public good. So like this involves setting clear guidelines, fostering transparency, and engaging in a dialogue with stakeholders continuously, specifically with the public, to communicate transparently how we're using AI. So the agenda balances this foundational knowledge with practical insights. So we'll begin with a session to establish common understanding of the concepts. The distinction between machine learning and Gen AI is more than just like technical jargon. It's helpful in understanding how these technologies can be applied effectively and responsibly in our buildings. Machine learning is oftentimes known for its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and to find patterns and make predictions. It's found application already in energy management and predictive maintenance. Gen AI, on the other hand, is a little newer to the AI scene and has opened new frontiers in design and simulation, enabling us to create models and scenarios that we previously didn't find practicable. So our next focus will be on AI, how AI is optimizing project delivery. In the design phase, AI can assist architects and engineers by generating optimized building models that maximize energy efficiency and occupant comfort. We've experimented with these tools, and the possibility they offer in our current practices is immediately evident. During construction, AI-driven project management tools can improve scheduling, resource allocation, and risk management, ideally leading to more on-time and in-budget projects. So imagine a construction site where drones equipped with AI algorithms monitor progress in real time, identify potential issues before they become costly problems, or consider AI tools that can analyze supply chain logistics to minimize environmental impact. These aren't far-flung futuristic concepts. They're happening now, and we can harness these technologies to set new standards in federal project delivery. Following that, we'll explore how AI enhances the operations and renovations of federal buildings. Energy management systems powered by AI can adapt to usage patterns, weather forecasts, energy prices to optimize consumption. Predictive maintenance can anticipate equipment failures before they occur, and ideally reducing downtime and extending the lifespan of our assets. AI-enabled controls can adjust lighting, heating, cooling in response to or in anticipation of changing environmental factors, creating safer environments for occupants while reducing our energy footprint. These technologies can save money and contribute to our commitment to environmental sustainability. So why does this matter? I mean, the integration of AI into federal buildings isn't just about technology for technology's sake. It's about creating smarter, safer, and more sustainable environments that serve the needs of the American people. By leveraging AI, we can reduce our carbon footprint, operate more efficiently, and set an example for sustainable practices. Moreover, as the federal government adopts these technologies, we can drive innovation in the private sector, support job creation in emerging industries, and position the US as a leader in sustainable development. As we move forward, we must keep ethical considerations at the forefront. This includes ensuring that AI systems are transparent, explainable, and contestable, so stakeholders understand how decisions are made. We must address data privacy concerns and ensure that our AI applications comply with all relevant regulations and standards. Inclusivity is essential. AI systems should be designed to serve all users effectively, regardless of their background or abilities. This means considering accessibility from the onset and engaging with diverse communities to understand their needs. As a federal government, we must also ensure that AI's safe, equitable, and trustworthy use is always occurring with all use cases. So using AI tooling in our practices must meet stringent safety and ethical controls set out by Executive Order 14110 and M2410. This is critically relevant for our rights and safety impacting AI use cases, much of which will center around the built environment. So I encourage everyone here to participate actively today. More critically than participating today, though, is to keep the conversation going afterwards. A lot of folks can be intimidated by AI conversations. They're often heavy on technical jargon and insider knowledge. If you have these thoughts, please ignore that impulse and lean in. The nature of AI, especially Gen AI, demands a broad conversation from subject matter experts outside of the AI domain. Your insights and questions are invaluable as we navigate this complicated and evolving landscape. So collaboration is key. No one has all the answers, but together we can develop strategies that maximize our benefit while minimizing our risk. So consider how these topics today apply to your work, how AI can serve as a tool to enhance sustainability, not a means to an end. And then what challenges do you foresee and how we might address those collectively? This forum is really great for sharing these ideas and forging partnerships so that we can lay the groundwork for future steps. So in closing, I just wanted to emphasize that we're at a pivotal moment. The decisions we make now about how we adopt and govern AI in our federal buildings will have longer term impacts. And we have the chance to innovate and improve our government operations with this new technology and contribute to a more sustainable and equitable future. Thank you once again for being here and for your commitment to these critical issues. I look forward to the presentations today and the meaningful conversation that we'll have tomorrow and into the future. Thank you so much. Michael, I hand it back to you.